Hello everyone, welcome to Food Tech for You. Today we will discuss the Central Food Safety Officer's previous year question paper and Technical Officer's previous year question paper. I know you are expecting a video on carbohydrates. I am working on that and will upload that video as soon as possible. So let's start. This is Central Food Safety Officer's paper and exam held in 2022. First question is, cumin seeds are commonly adulterated with answer starchy and woody matter. Next, under which products order specification for vanaspati, margarine and shortening are laid down. As you know that vanaspati, margarine and shortenings are vegetable oil products. So answer is vegetable oil products control order 1947. Questions on different orders are commonly asked in exam. So let's review all orders. Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954. Fruit Product Order 1955. Meat Food Product Order 1973. Vegetable Oil Product Order 1947. Edible Oil Packaging Order 1998. The solvent extracted oil, de-oiled meal and edible flour order 1967. The milk and milk product order 1992. Essential Commodity Act 1955 topic. So it will be better for all of you to remember all of these orders and years. Next, in which year Government of India established Ministry of Food Processing Industries, MOFPI? Answer 1998. A system which identifies, evaluate and control hazard and that are significant for food safety is Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. Next, in which year European Union joined the Codex Alimentarius Commission? Answer 2003. Next, what does TACCP stands for? Threat Assessment and Critical Control Point. Next, what does USDA stands for? United States Department of Agriculture. Next, what is the full form of PFA? Prevention of Food Adulteration 1954. Which Department of Food and Agriculture organization provides support to entire FAO organization? Answer, Corporate Service, Human Resources and Finance Department. The main headquarters of FSSAI is located at New Delhi. Critical control points help to control hazard risk. Baking powder is adulterated with citric acid. Next, which international food standard body jointly established Codex Alimentarius Commission? Answer, Food and Agriculture Organization and World Health Organization jointly established Codex Alimentarius Commission in 1963. What is the purpose of ISO 14031? Answer, Environmental Performance Evaluation. Next, who represents India in International Organization for Standardization? Answer, Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS. What does FDCA stands for? Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. Next, what is the purpose of ISO 9000-2000? Answer, Quality Management System Fundamentals and Vocabulary. International Organization for Standardization has how many membership categories? Answer, 3 membership categories. When did Food Safety and Standard Regulation come into force? 5th August 2011. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. Who is responsible for conducting a survey of states' food manufacturing and processing facilities? Commissioner of Food Safety. What are the powers of Commissioner of Food Safety? Commissioner of Food Safety can prohibit any article of food for such a period not exceeding 1 year. He can take survey of industrial unit and manufacturing unit. Uh, he can conduct or organize training programs for personnel of the office and sanction prosecution for offenses punishable with imprisonment. Please remember the term imprisonment because sanction prosecution for offenses punishable with fine is the function of designated officer, and sanction prosecution for offenses punishable with imprisonment is the function of commissioner of food safety. And what are the functions to be performed by designated officer? Designated officer can prohibit the sale of any article of food, and there is no limit for prohibition. To receive report and sample of article of food from food safety officer, and to make recommendation to commissioner of food safety for sanction to launch prosecution in case of contraventions punishable with imprisonment. Okay, to make recommendation and to sanction or launch prosecution in case of contravention punishable with fine. Both are different terms. In case of fine, to sanction or launch prosecution, and in case of imprisonment, to make recommendation, to maintain record of all inspection made by food safety officer, and to cancel the license and to issue the license. Okay, all of these are functions of designated officer. And what are the powers of food safety officer? Food safety officer can take a sample of food article, and he can seize any article of food, and he can inspect or enter any place where article of food is manufactured. We will do detailed discussion on this topic in upcoming videos. Next, deficiency of which vitamin causes neural tube defect? Answer: folic acid, also known as vitamin B9. What is the full form of CHA? Answer: custom house agent. Where we find custom house agent? In import areas. Okay, which is not a cluster initiative of FSSAI, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is not a part of Serve Safe initiative. Food service manager is not a part of Serve Safe initiative. Which food have been recognized in India as suitable vehicle for food fortification? Staple food are suitable for suitable vehicle for food fortification. And what are staple foods? Salt, wheat, rice, milk, and oil. Uh, Next, the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act was made in 1954. How long is the import license valid? 1 to 5 years. One excellent source of omega 3 fatty acid is flaxseed. And flaxseed is also a good source of calcium. What is the full form of GSFA? General Standard for Food Additives. Who keeps track of all inspection conducted by food safety officers and measures they take? Answer: designated officer. Which section of Food Safety and Standard Regulation 2011 notifies the food safety standard for infant nutrition? Answer: 2.1.9. Foundation phase of induction training for newly recruited officer contain 6 units. What is the full form of NOTS? Naturally occurring toxic substances. The international standard for laboratory accreditation is ISO 17025. At least 80% of establishment in clean street food hub should sell regional cuisine. The training curriculum for FSO is 40 days long. Next, what is the normal cutoff for BMI for Asian Indian? Answer 18.5 to 22.9 kg per meter square. Next, one example of non-perishable food is dried beans. Next, what is the full form of AgMark, agricultural mark? Lactase is also known as beta-galactosidase. Beta-galactosidase cleaves the disaccharide lactose to produce galactose and glucose. When lactases convert lactose into glucose and galactose, it increases the sweetness of milk product, which means there is no need for additional sugar, ultimately reducing the sugar content of milk product. That's why answer is lower the sugar content. The action to remove food from market at any stage of food chain, including that possessed by a consumer, is called food recall. Which section of Food Act describes food recall procedure? Section 28. The alcohol content of wine during fermentation and the ripeness of fruits before harvesting is assessed by using a refractometer. Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to microbial enzymes? Answer: they are less stable compared to plant and animal enzymes because they are more stable compared to plant and animal enzymes. They are easy to produce. This is correct statement. They are cost effective to produce. This is also a correct statement. They are produced by bacteria, yeast, and mold. This is also a correct statement. Which nutrient help in preventing microcytic anemia? Answer: iron. Next, a laboratory which develops method of testing, provide validation and technical support, and evaluate performance is designated as a reference food laboratory. A condition in which certain food trigger an abnormal immune response is called a food allergy. Next, removal of inedible part or defective part of foods and cutting to a size appropriate for further processing is called trimming. Which one of the following is not a complex carbohydrate? Answer: lignin. Actually, lignin is not a carbohydrate. What is lignin? Lignin is an important organic polymer which is abundant in cell wall and some specific cells. It has many biological functions such as water transport, mechanical support, and resistant to various stresses. It is the second most abundant organic material on earth. It belongs to a group of aromatic alcohol. Next, maintaining the temperature of food in the range of 0 to 8 degrees Celsius is called chilling. And freezing can be categorized as uh, quick freezing, slow freezing, and dehydro freezing. And what is the temperature for slow freezing? Minus 4 degrees Celsius to minus 29 degrees Celsius. And what is the temperature of quick freezing? Minus 32 degrees Celsius to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Next, oligosaccharides, which encourage the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the gut, are called prebiotic. And what are the examples of prebiotic? Polydextrose, soybean oligosaccharide, isomalto oligosaccharide, fructo oligosaccharides, gluco oligosaccharides, xylo oligosaccharides, inulin, isomaltulose, lactulose, sugar alcohol such as lactitol, sorbitol, maltitol, inositol, isomalt. All of these are prebiotic compounds. Next, a burnt or caramel flavor in milk is caused by Streptococcus lactis variant multigens. The technological function of calcium propionate in bread is is as preservative, and it prohibit the growth of mold. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are formed during cooking from all of the following except Maillard browning. Next, a method of quantitative chemical analysis used to determine the mass or concentration of a substance by measuring a change in its mass is called gravimetric analysis. Next, how many kilocalorie per gram do organic acids present in fruits and vegetable provide? Answer, 3 kilocalorie per gram. And alcohol provides 7 kilocalorie per gram, and polyols provide 2 kilocalorie per gram, and polyols except erythritol provide 2 calorie per gram, but erythritol provides 0 calorie per gram. Okay. Next, emerging method of food preservation include the following except irradiation. Next, how much vitamin A should fortified milk contain? Answer, 270 to 450 microgram retinol equivalent per liter of milk. Next, trans fats are present in margarine. Next, which of the following is incorrect regarding hand washing facilities required under good manufacturing practices? A. Hand washing notices should be pasted on walls near hand washing station. This is a correct statement about good manufacturing practices. Hand drying and sanitizing facilities should be provided. This is also a correct statement. Taps should be designed to prevent hand contact. Uh, it prevent cross contamination, so this is also a good manufacturing practice. And fourth statement is non perfumed soap bar should be used for hand washing. This is incorrect statement about good manufacturing practices, because non perfumed liquid soap should be used for hand washing. So incorrect statement is non perfumed soap bar should be used for hand washing. Next, the test to confirm presence of sesame oil in vanaspati in sufficient quantity as per regulation is Boundin test. Next, the plant enzyme bromelain, ficin and papain are proteases. The fourth step in HACCP plan is construct process flow diagram. Actually, this question is about HACCP plan, not HACCP principle. That's why answer is construct process flow diagram. Next, the vitamin which can combine with free oxygen radicals and prevent and protect the integrity of cell membrane is vitamin E. Actually, it is a work of antioxidant, and vitamin C and vitamin E are the examples of antioxidants. Next, as per regulation, the use of edible synthetic color in canned cherries is permitted but should not exceed 200 ppm. Next, to preserve the green color while cooking green leafy vegetables, it is advisable to cook them uncovered for a few minutes to allow volatile acid to escape. There are many ways to preserve green color of vegetables. Green color of vegetables can be preserved by using sodium bicarbonate and alkaline medium. How alkaline medium helps to retain green color of vegetables? Because alkaline medium neutralizes acids present in green leafy vegetables, and those organic acids are main reason for discoloration of green vegetables. That's why alkaline medium is also a correct answer here. Next, time temperature indicator, biosensors, ripeness indicator, and radio frequency identification are some quality indicators which may be used in intelligent packaging. Next, which one of the following statement is incorrect with regard to soaking dehusked pulses in water and discarding it before cooking? Answer: water soluble vitamin content increases. Actually, water soluble vitamin content decreases after this procedure. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to the number 5 mentioned in a recycle logo at the bottom of plastic container? Actually, number 5 indicates type of resin used. It also tells about its safety for use. But number 5 does not represent how many times the container can be reused. So, incorrect statement is how many times the container can be reused. Next, the cholesterol content of food given in the Indian food composition table is determined by gas liquid chromatography. Next, micronutrients are better absorbed and more bioavailable from natural sources. As per regulations, the limit for presence of impurities of animal origin in pulses shall not exceed 0.01%. Next, the health claim which is not permitted on a nutraceutical package is prevention and cure of disease claim. Which one of the following food color is not permitted to be used in food? Malachite green. Total polar compounds are formed when oil is reheated, often above 180 degrees Celsius while frying. The daily dietary nutrient intake level that is sufficient to meet the nutrient requirement of nearly all healthy individuals is called recommended dietary allowance, RDA. Next, which of the following is not a physical method of food preservation? Fermentation. Fermentation is a microbial method of food preservation. Which grain can a gluten intolerant person safely consume? Buckwheat. Next, the date after which food product is not advisable to be marketed, as its quality may have diminished but may still be safe to consume, is its best before date. We have completed the discussion on Central Food Safety Officer's question paper. Now it's time to solve Technical Officer's question paper. Let's begin. Which term is used to assure that the food is acceptable for human consumption according to its intended use? Answer: food safety. What is the definition of food safety? Food safety is the assurance that the food is acceptable for human consumption according to its intended use. What is intended use? Intended use represents the purpose of food article and expiry date. Ultimately, we can say that food safety is the assurance that food is safe for human consumption and there is no health hazard associated with it, or there is no health risk associated with its consumption. Next, what is the full form of WTO, World Trade Organization? Next, GFSI stands for Global Food Safety Initiative. Milk is adulterated with water and starch. Which voluntary certification scheme known as ISI mark for processed food? BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. What is the full form of FSSAI? Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Next, Which of the following administrative ministry are responsible for implementation of Fruit Product Order 1955, Ministry of Food Processing, Government of India? Next, ISO 22000 describes which management system? Food Safety Management System. Where is the headquarters of FSCI located? New Delhi. Which scheme is employed by manufacturer who need ISI mark within 30 days as per government notification Tatkal scheme? Next, what is the second principle of hazard analysis critical control point system? Identify critical control point. Next, what does GMP stands for? Good manufacturing practices. What is the role of Agriculture and Consumer Protection Department of FAO? Promotes agriculture to reduce poverty and ensuring safe food production. Which ISO standard is related to quality management system? ISO 9000. Under which act APIDA, Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority, was established in 1985? Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority Act. In which year Government of India established Ministry of Food Processing Industries? 1988. In food industry, GAP stands for Good Agricultural Practices. When did European Union join the Codex Alimentarius Commission? 2003. What is the full form of ISI? Indian Standards Institute. Where is the headquarters of Bureau of Indian Standards? Located New Delhi. Next, the term hidden hunger refers to micronutrient deficiency. Upon arrival of food consignment for import, the importer shall file integrated declaration form. Which of the following statement is true regarding WHO? Stands for World Health Organization, established in Geneva, Switzerland on 7th April 1948. Next, under section 43, subsection 2 of FSS Act 2006, the FSCI has notified how many laboratories in September 2017? Answer: 16. Actually, section 43, subsection 2 of FSS Act tells about referral lab. And in September 2017, there were a total of 16 referral labs. Next, ISO 22000 lays process specification for food safety management system. Next, SNF at the rate workplace initiative aims at following except providing resources such as the pink book. Pink book is for home cooking. Okay. Next, double fortified salt is fortified with iodine and iron. Iodine fortification is mandatory requirement and iron fortification is not mandatory requirement for salt. Okay. Next, the principle of FIFO, first in first out, adopted in Clean Food Street Hub, refers to first in first out for ingredients. Next, licensing and registration of food business in FSCI are covered under which section? Section 31. Next, balance shelf life means the period between date of import and expiry date or best before date. Next, FSSAI has incorporated third party audit for FBOs. This will help in the following except encourage preparation of healthy food. Actually, third party audit strengthen food safety surveillance system, encourage self compliance, and assure safe food to consumer, but it does not encourage preparation of healthy food. How does FSSAI encourage the preparation of healthy food? With the help of initiatives like Eat Right India. Next, what is the full form of Softail? Strengthening of food testing laboratories. Next, food safety display boards are color coded for different kinds of food businesses. Which of the following business is not matched with color code? Blue for milk retail, it's true. Green for fruit and vegetable retail, it is also correct color code. Purple for restaurant and for street food, and brown for liquor retail, and here given color is gray, so it is an incorrect match. Let's see color code for different food businesses. Purple for restaurant, green color for fruit and vegetable retail, navy blue for transport and distribution, and blue for milk retail, gray for retail stores, and yellow for storage, turquoise for manufacturing unit, and brown color for liquor retail, and purple color for street food, and red for meat retail, and purple for street food and restaurant. Next, an initiative of Government of India and FSCI to transform the country's food system to ensure safe, healthy and sustainable food to all is known as Eat Right India movement. Next, FSCI was established in 2008. Next, what is the full form of RUCO? Repurpose used cooking oil. Next, food containers should be kept at least 15 centimeter above the ground in the Clean Street Food Hub project. Next, what is SNF in milk? Solid, not fat. Next, according to FSS rules, shall shall be responsible for inspection of food business, obtaining sample and sending them to food analyst. Answer: food safety officer. Next, the third day of 5 days training program for designated officer focuses on packaging and labeling and FSMS. Next, most foods have water activity above 0.95. Next, self-stable products. I think 0.9 is also a correct answer. Okay. Next, self-stable products with water activity of 0.6 to 0.84, which can be eaten without rehydration, are called intermediate moisture food. As compared to conventional method of extraction, green extraction technologies have following advantages except time consuming. Next, a powerful chemical released when an allergen enters the body causing symptom of allergy, histamine. Next, functional properties of lipids include all of the following except adding bulk. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect for sprouted pulses? Sprouting increases the shelf life. No. Sprouting decreases the shelf life. Sprouting increases the digestibility. This is right statement because it actually oligosaccharides converts into monosaccharide units. So it increases digestibility, and sprouting increases the content of B complex and C vitamins. This is true statement. Sprouting increases availability of nutrient. This is also a correct statement. Which of the following dietary fiber in is form of non-carbohydrate source? Lignin. Next, which one of the following cannot be called a non-communicable disease? Hepatitis. Next, walnut are a rich source of alpha linolenic acid. omega 3 fatty acid. The best practical for frying food include all of the following except mixing the used cooking oil with new oil in the oil container is a bad practice for frying food. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to algal toxins in shellfish and fish in oceans? Uh, are eliminated by cooking and freezing. This is incorrect statement. Enter the body of fish and shellfish and can be retained. This is true statement. Cause symptom of food poisoning, tingling and paralysis. This is true statement. They have no smell or taste. This is also a correct statement. Active packaging use oxygen scavengers while packaging grated uh, cheese to prevent mold growth. Next, the toxin produced by Clostridium botulinum is a neurotoxin. Next, surface ropiness in milk is caused by alkaligens, viscolactis. Next, my plate for the day, which promotes health, prevent hidden hunger, and protects from disease, was developed in the year 2018. It is an updated version of My Plate for the Day, released on 7th May 2024 by ICMR NIN. Let's take a look at this plate. This plate suggests us to consume 85 gram pulses per day, 35 gram nuts and seeds per day, and 27 gram fats and oil, 250 gram cereals and nutri cereals, and 400 gram vegetables and 100 gram fruits. Food pyramid is also an important topic. Food pyramid shows us the proportion or quantity of food to consume per day. Let's see. We should consume vegetable or fruits. 400 gram vegetables and 100 gram fruits per day. 250 gram cereals per day and 300 ml milk or curd per day. Pulses or legumes 85 gram and nuts and seeds 35 gram and fats and oil 27 gram. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to mass spectrometry? Can determine the amino acid profile of protein. This is incorrect statement with respect to mass spectrometry. Mass spectrometry can measure the difference between mass of different isotopes of same atoms. This is true. It is used to determine a particle mass and can determine type of element in compound. And then another term for provitamin is precursor. Next, epidemic dropsy is caused by arzeman oil. On the basis of their shelf life, potatoes and onion are classified as semi-perishable food. With respect to non-communicable disease, which one of the following statement is incorrect? They cannot be prevented. Actually, they can be prevented by reducing the intake of saturated fat and animal fat. They are also called as lifestyle related diseases because sedentary work promotes non communicable disease and daily exercising helps to reduce non communicable disease. Next, food which have the potential to prevent disease and promote good health are called nutraceutical. With reference to food fortification in India, which of the following statement is correct? Some commonly consumed food are fortified. Staple food are fortified. An in-house reference sample for which one or more property values have been established by the user laboratory is called control sample. Next, food safety management system related document and record which are mandatory are medical fitness certificate for food handler. Actually, all of these documents are important documents, but medical fitness certificate is most important from all of these. So, correct answers should be medical fitness certificate for food handler. With respect to probiotics, which of the following statement is incorrect? They survive pasteurization and cooking temperature. They cannot survive pasteurization and cooking temperature. Next, the mold used in preparation of soya sauce is Aspergillus oryzae. The date beyond which packaged food product may still be perfectly safe to eat, though its quality may have diminished, is best before date. Next, the enzyme which increases the bioavailability of thiosulfinate is allinase. Where do we see allinase? Garlic contains an antibiotic principle, alline, inactive form, which is converted to allicin by enzyme allinase. Allicin further breaks down to allyl disulfide, which is responsible for the characteristic flavor of garlic. When garlic is crushed, the cells break and enzyme is released, and these compound are formed, thiosulfinate and allyl disulfide. Next, in-house procedure for continuous monitoring of operation and systematic day-to-day checking of produced data for reliability in analysis laboratory is called internal quality control. Next, the essential amino acid in short supply in cereal is lysine. Vitamin is required for synthesis of collagen is ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Which one of the following statement is incorrect with respect to microbial enzyme? Use of enzyme or microorganism in food is a recent development. No, it is not a recent development. They offer huge economic benefit to the industry. This is true statement. They are produced through fermentation. Yes, and fermentation is very old technique. They have better stability than plant or animal enzyme. Yes. What is the tagline for Eat Right India movement? सही भोजन बेहतर जीवन. Next, allergen cross contact in food operations can be prevented by following safe food handling and storage practices. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to Enterobacteriaceae family? Fecal coliform, which can grow at 45 degrees Celsius, belong to this class. This is true statement about Enterobacteriaceae family. Pathogen like E. coli, Salmonella, Enterobacter are some of the genera in this class. This is also true statement. They are present in human intestinal tract. This is also a correct statement. It is a large family of gram positive bacteria. No, it is a large family of gram negative bacteria. Next, fats perform the following functions except for one function. Which function does not perform? Does fat not perform? Stimulate peristalsis and eliminate fecal waste. This is not a function of fat. Helps absorb fat soluble vitamin. This is true. Provide thermal insulation. Yes, fat provides thermal insulation. Adds satiety value and flavor. This is also a correct statement. The vitamin which helps in conversion of tryptophan to niacin is pyridoxine. Pyridoxine. Next, with respect to irradiation of food, which one of the following is incorrect? Redura symbol should be displayed on the label. This is correct statement. Food in sealed container can be irradiated. This is true. Sensory characteristic do not change significantly. This is also a correct statement about irradiation. Can be used as a substitute for GMP? No. Actually, good manufacturing practices are important for all kind of processing. Next, with respect to quality control to correct errors and prevent repetition, 5 W's need to be answered. Which one of the following is not one of them? What are 5 W's? What, when, where, why, who. Whom is not a part of 5 W's. Whom was it reported to? It is incorrect. Next, fruits and vegetables are blanched during processing mainly to eliminate enzyme and microorganism. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all.